Handheld ultrasonic welding machine, also known as portable ultrasonic welding machine. Handheld ultrasonic welding machine. Handheld welding machine. Portable welding machine. Ultrasonic spot welding. Riveting machine. Ultrasonic point welder. Can be used for the butt welding of thermoplastic. Welding head can also be replaced according to customer demand for riveting, spot welding, embedding, removal process. Compared to other traditional crafts such as adhesive, screw together or screw fastening, etc., with high production efficiency and welding quality good, environmentally friendly, and energy-saving advantages.